Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online English school. Today, you will learn about prepositions of place. First, let's start with a new vocabulary.
Door, window, desk, table, chair, armchair, carpet, lamp, floor, fridge.
Thank you. Okay, let's practice the words related to the topic in my room. Please repeat after me. Door, window, desk, table, chair, armchair, carpet, lamp, floor, fridge. Good. How about some examples? For example, there is a white chair in my bedroom. My door is big and bright. We have 2 tables in the kitchen. There are 2 armchairs in my bedroom. Our carpet is big and colorful. Our fridge is full of food. Please shut the door. Nice job. Make more examples and practice them. Thank you. So, let's remember the vocabulary.
Label the picture.
You need to match words with these pictures. Bed. Okay. Paintings. Good. Clock. Very good. Door. Very well. Window. Good. Mirror. Excellent. Floor. Yes. Wall. Good. And lamp. Excellent. Now let's see. Yes. Good job. Now, let's learn the prepositions of place. Watch carefully, please.
In, on, under, behind, over, near, next to.
Very good. All right. Let's repeat prepositions of place. Again, please repeat after me. In. Внутри. On. На поверхности. Under. Под, внизу. Behind. Сзади. Over. Над, сверху. Near. Рядом, недалеко. Next to. Рядом, вблизи. Well, let's make some examples. My dog is sleeping under the table. Next to my computer, there is a printer. Behind my bed, there is a window. On my desktop, I have a lot of pencils, pen, copybooks, and laptop. Well done. I hope you understood. Thank you. Okay, let's watch the video.
Listen and watch.
Let's watch the video where the boy describes things in his room.
So, Tony, where's the clock?
It's on the wall. It's above the bed and next to the window.
Above the bed and next to the window. OK. Are there any paintings?
Yes, there are 4 paintings. They're on the wall too.
Which wall?
The wall opposite the door.
4 paintings on the wall opposite the door.
Are you ready?
Yes. What's next?
OK, well, there's a mat.
Is it on the floor?
Yes, it is. It's by the bed.
OK. What's next?
There's a lamp on the table.
A lamp on the table. Anything else?
Yes. One more thing. There's a mirror next to the window.
A mirror?
Yes, a mirror.
Next to the window?
Yes, that's right. Do you want to see my picture now?
Yes, please.
Is this your picture? No, it isn't.
Okay, dear students, let's do the next exercise.
Listen and choose.
Let's listen and choose. Is it true? Yes. Or false? No. 1.
Where's the clock?
It's on the wall. It's above the bed and next to the window.
Above the bed, next to the window. That's true. Next.
Where are the paintings?
They're on the door, opposite the bed.
On the door, opposite the bed. That's false.
Where's the mat?
It's on the floor. It's by the bed.
On the floor, by the bed. That's true. Next.
Where's the lamp?
It's under the table.
Under the table. That's false. Next.
Where's the mirror?
It's on the wall above the bed. It's opposite the door.
On the wall, opposite the door. That's false. Now, let's check. Very good. Let's do more practicing on prepositions.
Read. Look at the pictures and complete.
You need to look at the pictures and complete with the words above. Under the bed, near the window, on the desk, behind the wardrobe, in the cupboard. Now, let's start. What is Gilbert looking for? Tracy, what? Where is my English book? I don't know. It is your book. Oh, please, help me. It's late. I must go now. Maybe it's
under the bed.
No, it isn't. Check.
Check in the cupboard in the kitchen.
No. Look, maybe it's...
Look, maybe it's on the desk.
No, there is nothing on a desk. Check on the floor and on the chair.
Check on the floor behind the wardrobe and on the chair near the window.
Nothing. Sorry, I don't know. I don't have any more ideas. Okay, I must go. See you. Bye. Let's check. Yeah. Okay, let's make reflection. Today, you will learn the prepositions of place and vocabulary related to the topic in my room. Great job. Well, the lesson is over. Goodbye and have a nice day.